Hi, this is our grandparents' dog Pepe, and she's going to be singing for us today. We have to get her to sing first to get her started, so. Daddy, you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Kimmy.
Why?
Kimmy, you don't want your videos to be that long. One, they take forever to